bike is super duper hot. That was very close. My hand started getting numb now. I am really grateful for all the that came out of nowhere. As I was saying, I'm extremely grateful for all the less than 100 people who watch my videos and give like beautiful comments. That really makes my day, and that's the only reason why I still keep doing this. I've been riding on this road for an hour and I genuinely do not know where it goes. That's what the plan is, to explore where it goes. I want to like it, but somehow nah. And they are transporting 6 Series GT is what I can figure out. 630i. Look at the suspension, dude. Always been a huge fan of this. See how the bus sticking out of here. What? So Tata has done some next level of designing on the Altros. It's like the most beautiful Tata car after Harrier. Where is he getting it in from? So you look at Sierra. I mean, it looks alright.
Overrated as
That was very close. This is the old Altros. I mean, it always used to look good. But now they have just, made it look even better. Hatchbacks now, they all are 3 cylinders. And 3 cylinders are... It's all about balance when it comes to engines, right? This Slavia also has a 3-cylinder engine. It's unbalanced because, all the 3 cylinders, they cannot counter their rotational movement. But an inline 4-cylinder or a 4-cylinder in that case can counter each other out. It is inherently more stable than a 3-cylinder. I am kind of like a nerd about engines, And my hand started getting numb now.
और AQI एक ऐसा आपका टेम्परेचर है जो किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट से पता चलता है.
धुआं कर दिया. Absolutely love the stock exhaust, and as it's a twin cylinder, I usually have noticed that people like how it sounds. Desperate time needs desperate measures. That plant hit me. That was terrifying. How can you not be able to make a normal, simple, flat road? What's the point of backlight if you're just gonna cover it with a stupid sticker? I really love the fact that this bike is not just all show, no go. This has good power, this has good... it definitely looks beautiful. What the hell? Finally, it's time to merge with our main Gharwala road. I'm just gonna stop here and say bye bye and thank you to you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.